Hello! Thank you for watching and welcome to my new video. Hello? I'm on stage. Who turned off the lights? Can someone please turn the lights back on? Thank you. Unbelievable. Well, let's get started. From zero to hero with Bitcoin? The uncomfortable truth. Imagine for a moment that I take away just one thing from you. Not your salary, not your job, not your opportunities. I take away your excuses. Because if you're thinking right now, I'd love to invest, but I just don't have any money, then this video is going to make you uncomfortable. Not because Bitcoin is dangerous, but because today you'll realize that your biggest financial problem isn't the market, it's your daily routine. Stay until the end of this video, because by then, you'll know whether you're truly starting from zero or whether you're holding yourself back every single month. Not because you lack capital, but because you lack a system. Who am I? My name is Bruno. I'm not a smartass. I'm not a hedge fund manager. And I'm definitely not a crypto guru with rented Lambos and Gucci jackets. I'm someone who understands that wealth doesn't start with luck. It starts with honesty about your own decisions. And after more than 30 years in financial markets, I know exactly why so many people still fail. That honesty is what this video is going to force on you. The biggest lie about starting capital. You don't have any starting capital because the economy is broken? That's not the truth. You don't have starting capital because you refuse to audit your own behavior, because you don't have a system. Many people believe that building a crypto portfolio requires either a large upfront investment or getting lucky with some meme coin. Both are wrong, and that mindset keeps people stuck on the hamster wheel for 40 years. The truth is uncomfortable. You don't fail at investing because you lack money. You fail because you lack a system. Why willpower alone doesn't work. Most people try to save money by relying on willpower, but willpower is limited. After a long day, discipline doesn't win. Convenience does. That's why today we're not talking about motivation. We're talking about numbers. Real, verifiable numbers. Listen carefully right now before you think, okay, this makes sense, but my situation is different. Let me tell you something. In less than 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how people with completely normal habits burn over $250 every single month without even noticing. And if after that, you still believe you don't have money to invest, you can close this video with a clear conscience. Goal number 1, $1,000. If you're starting at zero, your goal is not financial freedom. Your goal is $1,000. The first $1,000 is the hardest because it forces you to create money out of thin air, using nothing but discipline and better decisions. I'm not telling you to work overtime or take on 1 or 2 side jobs. This is not about destroying your health to save a few extra dollars. This is about building a simple system. Once you hit that first 1,000, money starts working for you. But until then, your thinking needs a complete reset. The 3 phases from zero to investor. Phase 1, extraction. We find capital where you believe none exists. Phase 2, automation. We remove your brain from the process so emotions can't sabotage you. Phase 3, compounding. Your capital begins to defend itself against inflation. If you're looking for fast money, this video is not for you. If you're looking for logic, stay with me. Phase 1, the wealth trap audit. Most people aren't lazy. They just make the same bad decisions every day. Here are 5 things almost everyone has in their routine that destroy money every single month. First, coffee to go. $5 a day equals about $100 a month. Second, food delivery and snacks. 1 or 2 orders a week add up to around $60 a month. Third, streaming subscriptions you barely use. That's easily $30 a month. Fourth, impulse online purchases. Small amounts that quietly add up to $40 a month. Fifth, convenience. Uber instead of public transport, driving instead of walking, around $30 a month. The calculation that changes everything. Add it up. That's roughly $260 per month. And this is where the excuse, "I don't have money to invest," falls apart. What am I supposed to do with $5, you ask? In crypto, $5 is the difference between consumption and ownership. Consumption always goes to zero. A scarce asset has the potential to grow and multiply. The mistake that destroys almost all beginners. As soon as people free up this money, they try to multiply it fast. They use leverage. They follow signal groups. They hope. And they lose everything. We're not doing that. Phase 2, automation over emotion? We use micro DCA. That means the same amount at regular intervals, fully automated. Why does this work? Because automation protects you from your own emotions. The concrete plan. Out of the 160, we only use $150. And yes, you can absolutely manage that. That's $35 per week. Every Monday, automatically, no thinking, no debating. What do we invest in? If you're starting from zero, gambling is not an option. We stick to strong foundations. 60% Bitcoin, 40% Ethereum. This is not a casino. This is a foundation. The big picture. $150 per month is $1,800 per year. Without working more. Without earning more. Just through better decisions. Now ask yourself what those 1,800 can become in 5 to 10 years. Still think your $5 don't matter? They can change everything. Now, it's your turn. If this video just took away your excuse, write system in the comments. And if you know someone who always says they don't have money to invest, send them this video. My name is Bruno. And change doesn't start with hope. It starts with responsibility. Responsibility for yourself and for your future.